Hey y'all, welcome. Kamaya here with Tuesday's real estate tips and tricks. So you are under contract, or let's say you're buying a house, you get it under contract, you have a 10-day inspection period. Within that 10 days, you can look at everything. Of course, you're going to be getting a home inspection, which is home inspection, roof inspection, termites, sewer scope, HVAC, all of that. You're going to have all of that inspected. But one thing a lot of people overlook is the drive time it's going to take to get to work. Now they want to be somewhere close, or maybe it's a few minutes down the road. So what you should do is calculate how much time it's going to take you to get from that house to your place of employment. You need to go there in the morning and leave about the time that you would have to leave when you go to work. Now this is on a normal weekday, so you're going to be getting a lot of that traffic. So you're going to be taking special note. Is there a long line of traffic of everybody trying to leave the neighborhood at the same time, if it's one of those larger neighborhoods? Are you passing a lot of school zones? Are there a lot of bus stops? Is there a lot of that going on? So that might be something that you might think twice about. Is this something that you can live with forever? Well, now is the time during that inspection period, because in that inspection period, if there's anything about the house or the property or the area that you don't like, you can cancel that contract and get your earnest money back. Now, I always suggest doing that right in the beginning. That way you're not paying for those other inspections. You're doing this right quick, maybe even before you write an offer, depending on how the market is. Of course, you don't want to get, you lose the house because you didn't offer fast enough, or because you're waiting for the opportune time to make that drive. But definitely do that. That's one of those tips I always give my buyers. If you work out of the home, like obviously you're not working in your living room, because then your commute is like 5 seconds. But if you are making that drive, make it in the morning about the same time you make it, and you'll be able to see, is there something that I can live with forever? But follow me for more real estate tips and tricks every Tuesday. And don't forget to subscribe. See you guys later. Bye-bye.